Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here, and I'm here with another video on Tapswap. So as you can see, I've actually not opened my Tapswap for a very long time, and Tapswap allocation has finally dropped. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to claim your Tapswap. So I've not opened my Tapswap literally since uh May of last year or something, the Tapswap page. So a lot of persons are actually laughing because it's really funny. This is the Rock of Ages itself. So I'm going to search for Tapswap. So once I do that, I'm going to click on this one that has a verification sign. So I don't even remember the last day I opened this. So as you can see here, it's 29th. So I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to claim my location to check if I even got anything at all, because I put in a lot of effort into this project initially, but then I had to stop. So I don't know how this works or any of these at all. I don't really know. I did not even connect my wallet, so it's crazy. It's really crazy. So I'm just going to do that now. Okay, so as you can see right here, I've connected my wallet. I think this is the season 2. So there are a couple of tags and all that. So to check my airdrop allocation, I'm going to go to this place down here, drops. So when I get to drops, they said I don't want to increase my tabs balance. So basically what you have to do now is click on this questionnaire right here, and then complete the questionnaire, accept the terms, and start. So I'm a male, so I'm going to select my gender. I think there's a lot of questions. Select English depending on your language of choice. So I'm African. There's a lot of things that I personally don't understand. I'm Nigerian, of course, so I'm going to look for Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria is not here. Or am I tripping? I haven't seen Nigeria. Okay, look at Nigeria. So now I'm going to finish all this, and when I'm done, I'm going to just show you guys. Just answer the question by yourself. When it gets to the part where you need to follow up what I'm going to answer in the video, I will stop. I will continue the video, and I'll show you guys how to do that. The rest of these are just personal questions. So for this one, they said choose green. This is to test if you're actually reading the question. So you select green. So they're asking for employment status. So here's another question where they tell you to calculate 10 plus 3, which is basically 13. So make sure you answer it correctly, and then you continue. When did you become familiar with crypto? So that's basically it. Which one of these is an exchange? Basically that's Binance. So you click on Binance, and these are the exchanges that I basically use. OKX, Bybit. You scroll down, get.io, Bitgate. So and save crypto, yes, of course. So this is just basically what you use. So me, I don't use a cold wallet, so I don't have a cold wallet. So the Web3 wallets, I use Phantom, I use my Tonkeeper, and next. So which of the decentralized exchanges do you use? I use PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and SushiSwap. Yes, I've participated. So that's just basically what you'll be doing. So here you pause again, and then if you read this message very well, they say select the second option. So basically select this second option right here, and then you continue, because these people are very technical. They might disqualify you because of all these questions. So this Tapswap, I think, is actually listing on Solana blockchain. Some persons are saying it's done. So I think they announced Solana. I don't really know, and I don't even want to know much about it. So I just want to check and confirm if I have anything at all. So daily, okay, really. So be careful with this also. This is another thing. So choose this last one so that at least you have a high rating. What attitude to mint coin? So I would just say the first one, because these people are crazy. Select Dogecoin. So what you have to do now is select Doge. No, partially for some discipline. So that's basically what you're going to answer. Participated? No, but I would like to try. Okay, so I'm going to answer this. I'm not sure I will qualify for this airdrop, but anyway. So I just answer what your interests are basically. So as you can see, I've answered the questionnaire completely. So what I'm basically going to do now is go back to check my allocation, of course. So this is what they said: we are sorry, but your activity was too low for the. However, you have received 10k for your entry to the big game at the launch of our Web3 skill gaming platform. So guys, check your allocation. Kind of disappointed. At least they would have given me, even if it's just maybe $1 or $2 for at least participating in the airdrop initially. Anyway, it's quite sad. Just stay positioned. The listing date is around the corner, so just stay positioned for the airdrop, like I usually say. So to avoid certain issues like this, kindly start planning and participating in airdrops early. So anyway, guys, the first stage has ended. Let's wait for the second stage. So drop in the comment section. I'm going to ask, are you going to participate in the second phase of Tapswap? Because most of these airdrop are doing season 2, including Seed and Bloom and all of them. So are you going to participate in season 2 of Tapswap? Answer, drop it in the comment section below. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you on the next one. You can join our WhatsApp community. Links will be in the description. Thanks.